All right, so he's been to 2 other dealers in town?
Yes. He said he's tried to do business with us before in the past, but we're always, variable priced, etc.
Oh, I love that.
So he's looking for an EQS SUV. He's currently in one. His lease is ending in March, so LAP. He is looking to get one with a 3rd row seat. We have one, selenite gray with neighbor gray. However, he's looking to potentially lower his payment, which he did a single pay, but when you break it down, it's like $772 a month. I explained, typically EQSs don't lease offer that, but he did say he's going to do MSDs, but he'd like to see a 24-month term. So,
have you created a deal by chance?
I did.
Okay, we're gonna have to do this old school if we're doing MSDs. When is his contract up? Does he qualify for loyalty?
He should, yes. It's 3/31.
Wow, to the day.
Yeah. Yes.
So he is a price shopper only. He has no...
Yeah, literally, he's like, I don't really want to do gray again, but, well, he's got Alpine gray, this is selenite, so he's like, okay, it's a little bit different, but he just wants something similarly equipped to what he has now, doesn't need to test drive, obviously he already has one, just looking for a price, yes. So he's been here a few times, we could just never work anything out.
We can't sell this car until next Thursday. Well, it's the 2nd. The programs end on that day.
Oh, so that would still be a December deal though, right?
It would be, yeah. He's a West Sider. I love that, a West Sider that's never done business with us.
Literally right next door. He bought his current car, he said he got in Philadelphia.
Makes sense. All right, how many miles a year?
7,500. Said he'd do the maximum MSDs, 10, and
So, did you explain to him that one pays and MSDs are not the same as the last time he got his car?
Yes, I did. He said he didn't want to do the single pay anymore because he knew it wasn't as big of a incentive to as it was.
Same with MSDs, but how much money would he be giving us up front?
So with the max, is that the payment times, how does that work again? So with the max MSDs.
Well, so here's the thing. The MSD is going to get calculated, the security deposit is going to get calculated off of the base payment before we apply security deposit. So
okay.
The base payment's going to be determined based on how much money he's putting down.
Gotcha.
Or giving us up front.
Oh, okay,
right?
Gotcha.
And then that will determine what the security deposit is. So right, if he wants to put nothing down, that's fine. I just need to know if he's giving us anything up front before security deposits.
Nothing down.
Well, I can just tell you he's not going to be anywhere near where he wants to be. What does he have, a 23?
Yes, yep.
Yeah, there was a period of time about 2 years ago where the deals were just bananas. I mean, they were on the 23s, they were giving them away practically. And so
yeah, that's why I got one.
Exactly, you and half the people here driving it are for that reason. Right. There you go.
Thank you. This is the MSDs, right? The security deposit is.
Yep. So it's 11 grand at signing. All 11 grand is the security deposit. That's 10 security deposits of $1,100 each.
Got it.
All right.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.